Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Beauty Junkies mini tapered brush to perfectly build up a crease color. Starting with a completely blank eye, I'm just going to take first a couple shades that is deeper than my natural skin tone and place this using windshield wiper motions right into my crease. A great thing about this brush is that it is medium size and it is quite dense, so you can use it to build up a crease color, and using this as your only brush for your crease because it will blend, but it can still be precise at the same time with that tapered point. Taking a shade that is a little bit deeper, we're going to focus that mainly right here on the point. You can then keep your eye open and use those windshield wiper motions again, just going back and forth to deepen out that crease. This brush is a magical brush because it pretty much does all the blending for you. You just need to put the tapered point right into your crease, move back and forth, and it'll automatically blend the product out for you. And there you have it, a very easy, fast way to build up a crease color using the Beauty Junkies tapered brush.